Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and EIN number in the state of Indiana. And this is going to be like a really quick 5-minute walkthrough tutorial, so click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time that you do it on yours, so you can just follow along with every step. I've seen so many videos on YouTube with like all these chapters and they're like 30-40 minutes long. I really don't know what they're doing. I'm telling you, it's so fast and easy. So just follow along, click that link, and let's get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website. I like using Taylor Brands because it's just kind of everything business related all in one website. So click Indiana, and now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. And now what stage are you currently in? Just select what applies for you right now. And as you start to type in an industry, you can see so many different options come up and they get really specific, so you can more than likely find an industry that you fall into. Now, are you providing either a physical good or a service or both? So you can click that. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect your filing or anything. So it's just asking where you are at the current moment. And now, where are you operating from? So if you have a shop or store, you can use the zip code for that. If you don't, you can use your home zip code, like let's say you're doing mobile or e-commerce. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So select all that apply here. Okay, and today I want you to select LLC, so make sure it's highlighted in blue, and I also want you to click EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes or if you open a business credit card or business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need an EIN number, and probably within this year. And then if you need anything else here, feel free to click it. Maybe you need like a logo made or a license or a permit. And if you guys don't feel like doing it now, I definitely recommend going back in after this video and checking them out. It's cool that they offer everything in one spot. It just makes it way less stressful, I feel like. All right, and this is just a survey. You could skip it. And you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, Taylor Brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. First of all, it's free. Second of all, it's like if I can learn something that helps make more money in my business, amazing, right? So take it if you want it, skip it if you don't. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, again, they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to create your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, it's through their IRS website. They only allow you to file Monday through Friday. It's closed on the weekends. I don't know why. It's just what it is. And in my opinion, I feel like government websites are kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. So for me, it's worth the $99 to have Taylor Brands do it for me. And pretty much me just clicking this button here is like I don't have to worry about it again. So I love that. That's going to be my choice here. And assigning a registered agent. So a registered agent is essentially a fancy word for who is going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Indiana and you're opening your LLC in Indiana, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in some other state and you're opening it in Indiana, your accountant may have told you this to do it for like tax purposes or benefits, then you will need to appoint someone that lives in the state of Indiana. But again, if you live in the state, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year, no matter what state you live in, you have to renew your LLC. If you don't, you get a bunch of late fees and fines, and we obviously want to avoid that. So if you think you can remember to do it on your own, you can save a little bit of money here. But if you think you might forget or you just have a lot going on with your business, they can do it for you. It's $199 a year, and they just automatically renew it for you. So it's totally your choice. I'm going to hit no on the branding toolkit. And this is asking, would you like your LLC sent to you in 2 days? $49. I want it as soon as possible. But if you can wait for 2 weeks, you can select this option here. And don't need to worry about an operating agreement, so I'll figure it out myself. Would you like this formation kit? I'm going to click no. And you guys, real quick, look up at the top. The blue line, you can't even see it behind my screen, but we're almost done. So let's keep going. This is a service that Taylor Brands offers. So let's say, you just started your business, you don't really have a system set up yet for how you want to like organize your finances, or maybe you do have a system and it's just not cutting it anymore. Taylor Brands will get you super organized so you know where every single cent is going. You can organize your books, your invoices, all that good stuff. So definitely worth checking out if you're planning to really take your business serious and get really organized. They give you a free trial with the price plans at the end. But if you don't want to do that and you can manage on your own, you can select that option here. Yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And now we have some options for plans. There's no need to pay anything extra today for our LLC, so let's click this light plan here. And now we're getting a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Indiana state filing fee is $100. That's just the mandated state fee. We're getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day expedited filing. So you'll have your LLC in 2 business days. All right, and here's your charge for today. After the LLC is created, then you will be charged for your EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come in. It's just for your EIN. So now after you pay with your credit card, it's going to ask you your address, what address you want to use, and some other personal information. I always use my home address since I don't have like a shop or store on mobile. Or maybe if you were e-commerce selling online, I recommend to use your home address to get your business mail. I promise you won't get like spam mail or junk mail. I've never had that issue. But if you do have a shop or store, you can use that address. That's it, you guys. We're completely done. You can see this was so fast and easy. But if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. And I wish you the best of luck in your business. And I will see you guys in the next one.